Hello, good morning, boy single. Yeah. Um. I hope you're okay today. This morning, everybody is okay. Um. Yeah. We we will continue our lesson. All right. We still have to continue until 18. So never mind. Just continue. So I will continue with your textbook. But for today, if you can see on your screen right now, I will do unit 13 already. Okay, I will enter unit 13 for starting today, right? So unit 13 for a better tomorrow. Okay, for a better tomorrow. So for this one, let me show you first. All right, just a quick, just a fast, quick. How should I say? Just for a quick, quick session. All right, on this one. All right. So basically, in this unit, we will talk about how to make the place that we live right now, okay, a good place in the future. Okay, that's why you can see here the topic, the name of the topic, the name of the unit is for a better tomorrow. Okay, now if you see in this picture, I think all of you can see. All right, people are cutting down the trees. The river is very dirty. The fish died, and then the trees were cut. There were factories, and actually this is what happened to us now. Okay, people are cutting down the trees, then they are polluting the river just because we want some benefit to it. When you cut the trees, you build factories, all of that will, you know gain you some money. And then for the second picture, all right, the same river but different environment. What if there are no factory? The trees were not cut down. Okay, the trees are not cut down. There are no factories. Then the animals can live freely. What do you think? What do you think about this picture? All right. It's which one do you think you prefer? You prefer this one or you prefer this one? Which one you think that it looks good? All right. When you see it, you feel like so good. Picture A or picture B? This one I leave it to you, because that's not what we're going to discuss today. Okay, what we're going to discuss is mainly about this one. If you have your textbook, which I think you still have it, you can open page 128. Right? So yeah, what we will do today is basically we're going to read this one. Okay, we're going to read about global warming. Okay, we're going to read about global warming. Okay, after that I will show you a quick video in the YouTube, what is actually global warming. All right, so I will read it very fast because I don't want to do it slowly, and I think all of you also know already how to read. It's just a quick activity. All right, so let's read together with me. All right. Okay, I'll start from here. Ready? 1, 2, we will start. The rays of the sun enter the Earth's atmosphere. Some of the rays are reflected back into space. Some of them reach the Earth's surface and warm it. The warmed surface of the Earth gives off heat. This heat travels back into the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases, for example, carbon dioxide and methane, in the atmosphere trap some of this heat. This prevents the heat from escaping into space. The heat that is trapped travels back to Earth and keeps the Earth warm. This is called this is called the greenhouse effect. Without it, the Earth would be too cold for animals and plants to survive. Today, people are adding more greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. They drive motor vehicles and operate factories that burn fossil fuels for energy. The burning of these fuels releases carbon dioxide into the air. When forests are burnt down, carbon dioxide is also released into the atmosphere. Trees help to remove carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. However, forests are cut down, so there are fewer trees left to do this. Okay, next one. When the amount of greenhouse gases increases, the heat trapped in the atmosphere increases too. This causes the Earth to get warmer and warmer. We call this global warming. Global warming is harmful to the Earth. It causes the melting of glaciers, rising sea levels, floods, hurricanes, and droughts. Plants and animals that cannot adapt to the change in climate will die. Some of them could become extinct. So, we must do our best to slow down global warming. We can do it if we work together. Right. Actually, it's very hard for me to explain it. Okay, it's very hard for me to explain it because this is more to science, and also I don't know how to say the word in Chinese. All right, but okay. To make it simple, to make it easy, all right. Now, if you still remember, all right, in science we learned that the smoke, okay, the smoke when you burn, when you do open fire, okay, you burn something, the smoke will come out. From the car, you also have the smoke. From the factory, you also have the smoke. Now, these smoke, they have carbon dioxide or any chemical, right? So when they go up to the when they go up to the air, okay, all right, you can see here, all right, when when the greenhouse gases, okay, greenhouse gases, all right, there are too many of them, all right, so they cannot go up. I mean, this is the ozone layer, something like that, all right. After this you will see in the video, okay, when it's too thick, okay, the heat cannot go up. When the greenhouse gases are too many in our air, okay, when the heat they want to go up, all right, they cannot go up because it's too many. So that's why more and more we become hot and hotter, right? We become hot and hotter because why? The heat cannot go up. Okay, so yeah, that is why sometimes, or maybe now, you will feel like more heat, right? It's getting hot, right? So is it good? Actually, it brings some effect, not good effect to us too. Okay, if our earth is too cold, it's not good. If too hot, it's also not good. So we need a balance. All right, we need a balance. So what can we do if we don't want this global warming? Okay, we don't want this global warming. First of all right, we have to know what is the causes of global warming. What cause a global warming? As you know, as you read just now, right? Global warming come from the smoke. Where does smoke come from? Come from the car, the factory. So we need to reduce this. We need to reduce the use of car. Okay, maybe factory we will do more. We call it now eco-friendly factory. There's a lot of things that we can do. Okay, so okay, let's see what is the harmful effect. What is the danger of global warming? Harmful to the earth. Why? Because it melting the glacier. Okay, glacier is this one. As you can see now, a glacier actually in a cold place, really cold places, right, where they have this kind of like, it's not a stone, but it's like a cold surface, something like that. Now melting the glacier, because it become hot and hot, of course the glacier will become melting. All right, when it's become melting, of course our sea levels will go up. Okay, sea levels will go up, and then it will cause flood, hurricanes, and so on and so forth. And if it's become too hot also, it's not good for the plants and also animal. Okay, so that is it. The not so good things about global warming. Alright. So the next video I want to show you a 6-minute video. A quick 6 minutes video about global warming. So let's see this video. The video is from Smart Learning for All. Alright, Smart Learning for all.
No.
You see, when it's become too hot, even the ice cream will melt. Okay, easily. That's what is shown here. The ice cream melts easily. Okay, from the smoke, this is the carbon dioxide. Okay, smoke from vehicle. Yes, increase in the level of carbon dioxide. Too many smoke is not good for our health. Okay, smoke from factories increase level of greenhouse gases. Okay, let's see this old tree. Yeah, this is the goodness of trees because the trees maintain carbon dioxide. In another word, it's like they will eat the carbon dioxide. But the problem now, as you can see in the video, we cut the trees. When we cut the trees, who's going to eat all those carbon dioxide? Okay. When there is no tree, there are no trees, then carbon dioxide is a lot. Okay. A lot of carbon dioxide because there is no tree. Okay, just now I told you about this one, right? When the layer of greenhouse gases become thicker, a lot, so the heat. Okay, you see this one. Okay, this is the heat, the heat, hot heat. They cannot go out. When they cannot go out, it's become hot and hot and hot. Our Earth become hot and hot and hot, hotter. Yes. No, the Earth becomes sick now. Sorry, the Earth becomes sick. Because it's too hot. They even have doctor. Okay, what is the disease? What is the problem? It's because of global warming. The thicker layer of greenhouse gases traps more heat. This results in an increase in average temperature of the Earth, and the Earth becomes hotter and hotter. This is called global warming. Alright, if we do not take steps to reduce global warming, it will lead to loss of humans' lives, plants, and animals. Yes. This is the danger of global warming. So I think, yeah, what should we do next? Okay, number one, plant more and more trees. Okay, that's what we need to do to reduce global warming. Plant more trees. This one you already learned. Reduce, use, recycle all the things that can be recycled. Use less hot water. Turn off electronic devices when you're not using it. And last one is awareness. Tell your friends, tell your family, okay, about global warming, the danger of it. Right. So that's it. A good video from Smart Learning for All. If you want to watch it, you can go watch it by typing global warming and from Smart Learning for All. Okay. Alright. Yeah. So that's basically about global warming. Okay. That's it. Okay, remember what's the cause of global warming is because of too many greenhouse gases, all right, too many gases, and then the gases can because there are too many gases, the heat, all right, the heat inside the earth cannot go up. When it cannot go up, it become hotter and hotter. When it's become hotter and hotter, what is the danger to us? It will become danger to us. Why? Because it's very hot. All right, so remember that. So 20 minutes already now, boys and girls. That's all for today. That's all for this lesson. All right. Yeah, that is all. No exercise, nothing. Today is only about reading. Okay, right. If you have any question, you can write in the comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.